Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The nice thing about vector operations is that they tend to be pretty intuitive. Let's start with two vectors. We'll say u has a horizontal component of 2 and a vertical component of 1. And we'll say v has a horizontal component of -3 and a vertical component of 4. Let's see what would happen if we wanted to find 2 times vector u plus v. We could write it out just by filling in our vectors u and v. And this multiplication by 2 is called scalar multiplication. And we just really distribute the 2. So we'd have the vector 4, 2 plus the vector -3, 4. And when we add vectors, we just add them component-wise. Combining our x components, we get a value of 1, and our y components, we get a value of 6. What would this look like on a graph? Look, if we drew our graph from the origin and we drew 2 u vectors end to end, that would be 2u. And then from the end of that vector, if we drew a vector v going left 3 and up 4, we would get a new vector, 1, 6, which we call the resultant vector, which is really just what we got when we did the operation algebraically.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.